Good morning friends. Hello, I am Anup sir. You are welcome in the MS Academy. Today we are going to reduce syllabus in standard 10th declared by Gujarat Secondary Education Board for 2020-21. We know that this year the corona comes, so there are many critical problems created in education field. So government decided that some syllabus about 30% reduced from their syllabus. Now today we are going to see which is the topics from the chapter removed from standard 10th maths and science subject, or also all subject you get a PDF. Now we have to see here in mathematics chapter number 1 real number. So what is the included portion, and here it is a given the included portion, here it is a given the removed portion. In the real number, what is the included? First of the introduction, example 1, exercise 1.1, question 1, 1.3 the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, theorem 1.2, example 6, 7, 8, exercise 1.2, question number 1 to 4, 1.5 rational number and their decimals, expansion, theorem 1.7, exercise 1.4. It is the included portion from the chapter number 1. Now we have to see in the removed portion from the chapter number 1. Example 2, 3, 4. It is removed. 1.2 include divisions. Theorem 1.1 removed. Exercise 1.1 question 2 to 5 is removed. Example 5 removed. Exercise 1.2 question 5, 6, 7 is removed. Resting irrational number is removed. Theorem 1.3, 1.5 removed. Example 9, 10, 11 removed. Exercise 1.3 whole removed. All it is a major exercise 1.3 removed. You must be remember it. You must be remember it. Okay. And theorem 1.5, 1.6 is removed. Now we have to see in the second chapter polynomial, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. First of introduction, example 1, geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial, exercise 2.1, question 1, 2.3, relation between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomials, example 2, 3, 4 and exercise 2.2. Which is the removed portion? Friends, it is a very important for your all studies. They are removed from the standard 10th and from the chapter number 2 polynomials. First is division algorithm for the polynomial. A is equal to bq plus r is removed, means p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. It is the division algorithm from the polynomial is removed. Example 5.6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all example removed. Exercise 2.3 whole removed. Exercise 2.4 whole removed. तो देयर आर देखो फ्रेंड्स, इसमें देखो बहुत सारा सिलेबस निकाल दिया गया है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू सी इन द चैप्टर नंबर 3 in mathematics, linear equation and equation in two variables. The first of included portion we have to see in here, introduction, pair of linear equation in two variables, example 1 to 13, graphical method for solution of pair of linear equation, exercise 3.2, question number 3 to 5, 3.4.1 substitution method, exercise elimination method 3.3 and the exercise 3.4. Now we have to see in the removed portion from the chapter number 3, linear equation in two variables. First, exercise 3.1 removed. Exercise 3.2 sum number question 1, 4, 6, 7 removed. Exercise 3.3 question 3 removed. Exercise 3.4 question 2 removed. Question number 4.3, cross multiplication method removed. Friends, it is a very important method for your all standards. Cross multiplication is removed from the chapter number 3 in standard 10th. Example 14 to 19 removed. Exercise 3.5 to question number 1, 2, 3, 4 removed. Equation reducible to pair of linear equation into variables removed. Exercise 3.6 question number 1 to removed. Exercise 3.7 whole removed. Now we have to see the chapter number 4, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. First of the from the quadratic equation introduction is included quadratic equation. Examples 1 to 6. Exercise 4.1, solution of a quadratic solution by factorization, and the 4.3 question number 2 to 8. 4.5, nature of roots. Example 10, 13 to 18. Exercise 4.4. What is the removed portion? The 4.5, solution of the quadratic equation by the completing square method. Friends, it is a very useful method for all standard. It is removed from the chapter number 4 quadratic equation, and also very important method, which is the method completing the square method. Example 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Exercise 4.3, question 1, 9, 10, 11 are also removed. Now we have to see chapter number 5. Here we have to see in chapter number 5 arithmetical progression, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. First of we see the included portion. First, introduction, arithmetical progression, example 1 to 8, exercise 1.5, 5.1, question number 1 to 3, exercise 5.2, question number 1 to 15, 5.3, nth term of AP arithmetical progression. Exercise 5.3, question number 1 to 12, exercise number 5.4, sum of the first term of the AP, example 11, 13 and 14, which is the removed portion from the chapter number 5 arithmetical progression, which is the first is the exercise 5.1, question number 4, example 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, exercise 5.2, question 16 to 20, exercise 5.3, question number 13 to 20, exercise 5.4 whole removed. Now we have to see from the chapter number 6, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. First off, we have to see the included portion. Introduction, similar figures, exercise 6.1, similarity of the triangles. 6.2, question number 1 to 6.4, criteria of the similarity of the triangles, example 5.7, exercise 6.3, question number 1 to, exercise 6.4, question number 1 to 8, 6.6, Pythagoras theorem is included, and the example 11, theorem 6.6 and 6.8. Only 3 theorems are included from the chapter number 6. Okay friends, it is a very useful and necessary condition for you. Use theorem number 6.6 and 6.8 and the Pythagoras theorem. Only 3 theorems included in chapter number 6. Now we have to see in the removed portion. Which is the removed portion? Theorem 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.7, 6.9. Means all the theorems are removed. Only 3 theorems asking in the your board examination. It is a very gladding news for you. It is a passing key. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 is removed. Exercise 6.2, question number 1, 3 to 10. Exercise 6.3, question number 3 to 16. Exercise 6.4, question number 2 to 7 and 9. Area of the similar triangles removed. Exercise 6.5, question number 1 to 16 removed. Exercise 6.6 whole removed. Now we have to see in the chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, which is the removed portion and which is the included portion. First of we have to see in the included portion. Introduction, distance formula, example 1 to 3, exercise 7.1, question number 1 to 7, 7.3, section formula, example 7, 8, 9, 10, exercise 7.3. Now we have to the removed portion from the chapter number 7 coordinate geometry. Example 4 to 5, exercise 7.1, question number 8, 9, 10. Area of the triangle removed. It is also very important formula or sums your standard. They are removed portion. Example 11 to 15, exercise 7.3, exercise 7.4. Now we have to see in chapter number 8, introduction of the trigonometry, which is the included portion, which is the removed portion. We have to see in here. First of the introduction, geometric ratio, example 1 to 9, 11, exercise 8.1, question number 1 to 8 and 11. 8.3, trigonometry ratio for specific angles. 8.2, question number 1 to 3, trigonometry ratio for complementary angles. Exercise 8.3, 1, 3, 5 and 7, which is the removed portion from the trigonometry. We have to see here. Exercise 8.1, sum number, question 9 and 10. Exercise 8.2, question number 3. 8.3, question number 2, 4, 6. Examples 10, 12, 13, 14. Trigonometry identities are also removed. Exercise 8.4, question number 1 to 5 removed. Now we have to see in chapter number 9, application of the trigonometry, and chapter number 10, circle, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion from the here. First of the chapter number 9, in which is the included portion, introduction, height and distance, example 1 to 3 and exercise 9.1, question 1 to 5, which is the removed portion, example 4 to 7, exercise 9.1, question number 6 to 16. Now we have to in the circle, introduction, tangent to a circle, number of a tangent from a point of a circle, exercise 10.1, exercise 10.1, question number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Theorem 10.1, 10.2, example 1, 2, 3, exercise, question number 4, 5 and 8 to 13 is removed from the chapter number 10, circle. It is a very important theorem from the circle 10.1 and 10.2, but it is removed from their syllabus. Now we have to see in chapter number 11, construction, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion. We see here included portion, introduction, division of a line segment, construction 11.1, exercise 11.1, question 1, 11.3, construction of the tangent to a circle, construction 11.3, exercise 11.2, question number 1 to 5, which is the removed portion. Construction 10.2 is removed, example 1 to 2 removed, exercise 1.11.1, question number 2 to 7 removed, exercise 11.2, 6 to 7 removed. Generally there are mainly more construction are removed, only 3 to 4 construction preferable for your examination. It is a very glad news, and enjoy your vacation due to the corona. Now we have to see in the chapter number 12, area related to the circle. We have to see in the first included portion, the introduction, perimeter and the areas of the circle. Example 1, exercise 11.12.1, question number 1, 2, 3, 5. 12.3, area of the sector and segment of the circle. Example 2, exercise 12.2, question number 2 to 6 and 14. Now we have to see in the removed portion. Exercise 12.1, question number 4, exercise 3, exercise 12.2, question number 7 to 17, exercise 12.4, area of the combination of plane figure. Example 4, 5, 6, exercise 12.2, 3, question number 1 to 16 also removed from the chapter number 12, area related to the circle. Now have to see in the chapter number 13, surface area and the volume, which is the included portion. Introduction, surface area of the combination of solids. Example 1 to 4, 13.1, volume of the combination of solids. Example 5, 6 and 13.2, which is the removed portion. Conversion of the solid from the shape of to others. Example 7 to 11, exercise 13.3, first term of a cone. Example 12, 13, 14 and exercise 13.4. All the important syllabus removed from your 10th standard. It is a very glad and also sad news for also, because it is very important for the 12th science standard. Now we have to see in the chapter number 14, which is the included portion and which is the removed portion from the chapter number 14 and 15. We have to see in the statistic chapter number 14, introduction, mean of group data, example 1 to 8, exercise 14.1, mode of the group of data, exercise 14.2, median of the group data 14.3, which is the removed portion, graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution, example 9 and exercise 14.14, all removed. It is also very important. Now we have to see in chapter number 15, probability, introduction, probability of a theoretical approach, example 1 to 12 and exercise 15.1 is asking in your exam. It is included portion, which is the excluded portion, exercise 15.2. Your math subject contain all 15 chapters, which is the included portion and which is the excluded portion. I explain you in this video. Please like, share and subscribe our video. It is a very important for all Gujarat students or related to Gujarat board students, and mostly share these videos. In the next lecture I give you syllabus of the science subject. Have a nice day. Now